Today we are going to prepare a traditional Goan sweet called Baath. We use it for different festivals of ours and also specially for Christmas. You will need 125 grams of Amul butter, 250 grams of semolina, 200 grams of sugar finely ground in a mixer, the white of the coconut ground to a paste, 3 eggs, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and half a teaspoon of baking powder. The whites from the yolks. Beat the egg white till it becomes stiff. Add the powdered sugar. The egg yolks and beat it well. The baking powder to the semolina, about half a teaspoon. Just mix it and then add a little semolina. Mix well and keep on doing this process till all the semolina is exhausted. The coconut should not be ground too fine, just coarsely ground 2-3 times in the mix. So mix this thoroughly. Add the cardamom powder, about half a teaspoon. Mix it well. The batter is now ready, but it cannot be baked immediately. So we have to leave it to soak for about 6 to 8 hours and then bake it at a medium temperature for about 30 to 35 minutes.